Okay, so the stain sat for 5 minutes, so I'm going to take a paper towel and try to wipe dry. This is a dry paper towel, it's not water yet. I'm going to go after that next to see if it helps. I'm going to try to attempt to remove this coloring and see how everything works. So it has etched, definitely etched, because that's what stain or acid's supposed to do. So that's just the first wipe down with a dry towel. I'm gonna go get a wet one. Okay, we're back. I got a wet paper towel now. You can see it's a lot damper than being dry. So I'm gonna try and clean this up, and you can see how the stain is coming away from where it was HydroGuard treated. So it's not staying there, which is cool. That's pretty awesome. You can see how the stain got into some low divot spots, obviously, where it wasn't bothered to be sealed, so whatever. But here we go across the surface here, and it looks like the stain also comes off where it was HydroGuard treated. That's good. So, and you can see it's definitely etched wherever there wasn't a sealer. So I'm going to try to neutralize that acid now with a pH change with the InztaShine. So this is the cleaner we're going to use, all-purpose cleaner. We're going to make an attempt to try to take away staining down there, hopefully neutralize the acid and release all that pigment. Alright, so that's the wet rag with the InztaShine on it. Now I noticed quickly that the dye was coming off my fingers, and that was acid-based, so I'm going to try to take it off here and see what happens. I'm just going to dab, let it sit there for a little bit to help neutralize, and see what happens. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and we're going to let that sit. Soak this up. I'm going to let that soak there too. Let's get that wet, neutralize that. There we go. So you can see the rag's getting red, so it's actually pulling it up. It's actually working here. You can see it. It's coming off. Let's do this.